Did you just get hit by the hiccup monster? Let's talk about hiccups. Those annoying little spasms that make your diaphragm do the cha-cha. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm decides to throw a surprise party and contracts suddenly. Your vocal cords slam shut, and bam, hiccup. People say holding your breath or drinking water upside down helps. Honestly, it's just your brain trying to outsmart your diaphragm's dance moves. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm still here," and a little goofy. Follow for more fun science facts.